I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason, yes?
Yes! No accident.
Everything happened for a reason?
Yes!
Do any of you believe in once in a lifetime opportunities?
Yes!
If you don't, today you should.
Gumanda yung yung dati kasi nagkaroon ako ng problem sa parang gallbladder. So when I take Laminine, so naging luminis yung intestine ko ba? Feeling ko gano'n. So at the same time, yung yung aggressiveness ko, and then yung di ako gutumin.
Pinadalhan nila ako ng Laminine, nasa Rocco City ako. So, hindi ko pa siya ma-introduce kasi natatakot ako baka mali yung masabi ko na maganda ito sa katawan. So, what happened na nagkaroon doon yung na-dengue ba, na sinugod yung dalawang anak niya sa hospital. The following day, nailabas na yung dalawang bata, yung isa naman ang nagkaroon ng dengue. So, naisip ko lang na, kasi dadalhin na sa hospital ulit naisip ko lang na baka makatulong. So, sabi ko sa kanya, mag-take, subukan mo lang. Wala namang mawawala kasi hindi naman ito, hindi siya makaka-apekto o makakasama sa katawan. Sabi ko, mag-take ka lang ng dalawa. Ngayon muna inumin, ngayon. Pero kinabukasan, tumaas yung platelets niya, hindi na siya nadala sa hospital.
It really helps for me. Because especially, I had before cysts on my ovary. It really helps a lot.
Actually po, nakakatulong siya sa misis ko. Na dati kasi ang misis ko nag-insulin na yun. Ginamit ko po ang Laminine so far ngayon.
Well, Laminine is, I can say that it's the best vehicle for me to help myself, help my family, and at the same time, help those people whom I wanted to touch. Okay, especially that I love helping scholars, and I can see that with this opportunity, I'll be able to help them more, coming from my own pocket, and at the same time, I'm very passionate about having their health, having them gain back their health.
Grabe, Laminine is so phenomenal. It's really amazing. Where you can find a product like this, diba?
Miracle remedy, the more you know how little you know, the more you know how little you know, the more you want to know, and the more you want to know, and the more how little you know.
It gave me a real sense of well-being.
Para sa akin po, napakalaki ng tulong yung Laminine. Dati rin po ako isang empleyado, nagtatrabaho. Then I met someone, Dr. Lito Proto. Siya po yung nagbigay ng idea sa akin at shinare niya po yung Laminine at yung business po. So ngayon po, hindi na po ako nagtatrabaho. Bali, I am the full-time distributor of Laminine.
Mabuhay! Greetings from the Philippines. I am Francis Pira. All Laminers out there. Keep touching people's lives. With it, definitely you'll be helping a lot of people who are suffering. Let's just follow the vision of Dr. Davidson, which started in 1929 to help terminally ill cancer patients, and the rest will follow.
Hi, I'm Olan Ignacio from the Philippines. I would like to thank the Life Farm Global Network for giving us an opportunity to share this wonderful product, which we call a miracle in a capsule. Thank you so much, because right now there are a lot of Filipino people who really benefits about the health, about the wealth, even mentality. They are grown up because of your product and because of your training.
Una po, hindi ako nakakalakad. Nakatikin po pa ako sa floor. Pag-ano-gano na lang po ako, parang po akong lobo. Pero ngayon nakakapag-marcha na nga ako sa
City Hall
That's a very rare kind of sickness. Yung body niya is not producing platelets. The first time we saw Nicole, platelet niya is only 1. It's only laminine, and the thing that we do at the clinic that's keeping Nicole alive. We have not done. The only time we did a blood transfusion was only 1 time. And we have not done anything yet. The only thing that's keeping Nicole alive now is laminine.
We have a product that was put here for the purpose. And if you don't believe that there's a purpose, you just saw it.